Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by deciding which non-VoLTE path you will use and preparing the device. First, check that your phone supports Wi-Fi calling or install a reliable VoIP app. Once done, keep the Jio Sim inserted and enable mobile data for registration or connect to stable Wi-Fi. Make sure you have account credentials ready for the VoIP app or a second SIM active. This initial setup saves time and avoids mid-process interruptions, so gather everything before moving on. Now configure the chosen method step by step. If your phone supports Wi-Fi calling, go to Settings, enable Wi-Fi calling and follow registration prompts. This lets you use your Jio number over Wi-Fi. If using a VoIP app, install it, verify your number or account, and grant mic and contact permissions so calls work smoothly. Alternatively, for hardware fallback, swap in a non-Jio voice SIM into the second slot and set that SIM for outgoing voice calls. This bypasses VoLTE. Place a test call using the method you configured and listen for proper audio and caller ID. If you hear no sound, first check mic and speaker permissions, then confirm your Wi-Fi or data signal quality and make sure the app or system is updated. If registration fails, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, then reconnect. This forces network reattach. As a final fallback, use the secondary non-Jio SIM for voice calls or try another VoIP app. These steps resolve most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.